Welcome to CelebXplore Hub. Today, we're diving into the glamorous world of Meghan Markle as she gears up for her latest Netflix venture. But here's the twist, her filming location is causing quite a stir in a California neighborhood. Stay tuned as we uncover the drama surrounding Meghan's new show. Meghan Markle, the Duchess of Sussex, is set to showcase her culinary skills in an upcoming Netflix cooking show. However, her choice of filming location has raised eyebrows. While Meghan could have opted for her lavish Montecito mansion, she instead selected a 14-acre cannabis farm as one of her shooting spots. The farm, owned by the Van Wingerden family, has become a focal point of controversy in Carpinteria, California. Residents have long complained about the overwhelming stench emanating from the cannabis cultivation, sparking lawsuits and community outcry. Despite the uproar, Meghan's production is underway, with the Duchess borrowing a nearby property for her filming needs. However, her decision to film at the cannabis farm has drawn criticism, with locals expressing concerns over the impact on the neighborhood's air quality and quality of life. As Meghan embarks on her culinary journey, questions linger about her involvement in the cannabis industry. While her show aims to celebrate cooking and gardening, the juxtaposition of her filming location against the backdrop of a contentious cannabis farm adds an unexpected layer to the story. And there you have it, folks! The latest scoop on Meghan Markle's Netflix show and the controversy surrounding her filming location. What are your thoughts on this unexpected twist? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates from CelebXplore Hub. Until next time, stay tuned.